This event really is all about you.
So what's trending? Digital printing in capital letters. That is the hottest trend in the label industry.
Let me just tell you, TLMI loves Domino.
My demographic, we don't want to go in and see a bunch of ink on the floor and gears and metal and all that sort of thing. We want to see a nice clean facade, and we want to go up and push a button and walk away.
This has been a great event. Everyone had a different lens that they looked at the Domino business through, as well as how it enhanced and helped them grow their businesses.
I think the technology has evolved to a point that the risk is significantly less. If you wait too much longer, you're going to miss out.